you guys? It's your girl Ryan Samantha, and she is brand new, flipping her hair and all with my straight hair. As you can see, I have done a silk press on my natural hair. I have a range of 4A in the front of my hair and 4B and C in the back. I am loving how my hair looks right now. I just keep like flipping it and swinging. But if you guys want to see how I created this look, how I achieved this look I should say, then definitely keep on watching. But before we hop into that, definitely make sure that you hit the red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell as well so you know when I'm posting new videos. But I don't want to keep rambling. I just want to get right into this video, so let's get it started. Alright you guys, so let's get this started. I can't even remember if I've ever straightened my own hair. I really don't even think I ever have, so this video is going to be interesting. And the other thing is, I have never tried this flat iron that I got from Amazon, so I don't even know how this is going to turn out, you guys, but I'm really hoping that this works. So it's kind of going to be an unboxing, I guess, as well. So the straightener that I'm going to be using is from Kipozi. This is what the box looks like. I got this off of Amazon. Let's go ahead and open it together. Okay, so this is how it looks once I open it. It has a carrying bag, and I purchased this off of Amazon for, I believe, $38 if I'm not mistaken. I will have the link in the description box down below, but this is how it looks when you take it out of the packaging. It is nice and cute and pink. But yeah, so just a little bit about this flat iron. It does have titanium plates. It is 1 inch in size. It goes from temperatures from 170 up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So it does say that it's for all hair types, and I really did like that it had this digital reader on it. It just made it easier to know exactly what temperature it was at, and it heats up super quickly, which was really convenient, especially when you're time sensitive. So besides the flat iron, you're going to need cheese silk infusion, some clips, satin scrunchies, rat tail comb, as well as a wide tooth comb to help separate and detangle. So first things first, what I'm going to do is section off my hair, as I usually do. So I'm just going to start by working in the back. Okay. So for a silk press, you definitely want to work on really small sections. So I'm going to go ahead and put some silk infusion. I actually have no idea how much to put. So I'm going to start off with this amount and see what happens. So it's definitely like giving my hair not moisture, but like a nice coating, I should say. And I'm just gonna use my Denman brush, and I'm going to just comb this out. So I mean, I guess I should plug in the flat iron. Let's do that first. Alright, so you gotta hold this power button to turn it on. So when you turn it on, it starts like, obviously the numbers start going up. I have set it to 390. Hopefully that's not too hot. And my plan is to just do 1 or 2 passes. And wish me luck, you guys. As I said, I have not done this before, so it's gonna be interesting. Just a side note, I did not know that I was going to end up silk pressing my hair, but obviously you guys are going to know that ahead of time, so just make sure that you do a better job at detangling and blow drying. That will just make your process a lot easier, and your hair will come out much smoother. So I'm just going back and detangling, and the major key with doing a silk press on yourself is that you want to make sure you are working in very tiny sections. So I also decided to do the comb chasing method, and all that means is that I am following the flat iron with a comb, and that's just going to help keep my hair stretched, and it just helps everything to be nice and smooth and takes up the tangles as I'm flat ironing. The other key is to go slow enough so you don't have to do extra passes. So that's basically all you're gonna do, and you're gonna follow that all over your head. It's kind of tricky at first and does feel a little bit awkward. Be careful, you guys, don't be burning your ears, but just take your time and everything will work out. I learned as I went through that the key was really to go pretty slowly and just really take your time, you guys. But look at these results. I was really happy at how flat my hair was and how like straight it was without feeling like it was burned or anything like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna continue going because I don't want you guys sitting here all day watching me straighten my hair, but you just follow the same steps, you guys. So I'm just going to go back to using small parts, and honestly, you guys, if possible, I would highly suggest you set up 2 mirrors because it was kind of tricky to see what was happening in the back. But yeah, I mean, you could still do it without one, as you can see, but I definitely think that that would have helped me and speeded up the process. Speed it up, really though, and sped up the process if I had those 2 mirrors. But yeah, you guys, I am gonna go ahead and speed up this video because this took probably about 3.5 hours to do, and I don't want you guys sitting here that long. I really don't. So yeah, if you guys do have questions, comment down below and I'd be happy to answer you. So again, I'm starting on a new section. I'm just making sure I add my cheese silk infusion, and then I'm just working in small sections and doing the same exact thing, you guys. I saw these inches and I got so happy, you guys, like you don't even know. So when you get to the top, you want to create a side part or middle part, however you want. I decided to do a side part. And just another quick tip, once I get to the front of my hair, I start flat ironing towards my face just so that it falls nicer. My hair is finally done flat ironing, but this step is super optional. I just wanted to do this for a little razzle dazzle, a little Michelle Obama vibes, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to put some curls in the front and just give my hair some personality. So basically what you're going to do is you do the exact same steps, but you're just flipping the hair around the curl iron to create your curls. It does take some practice, but it is not hard to do. So I'm just taking a few pieces. It's really up to you how many pieces you want to do or how much curl you want to have. And yeah, I'm just going to continue taking these pieces, and at first it looks very rigid, but don't worry, you're gonna play with the curls and loosen them up and just give them some shape afterwards. So don't be too anal about how the curls look. So I just put a few more curls, and then I went and finger combed my hair just to loosen everything up and make the curls just look a little bit more uniform and just hang a little bit better. And once I was done that, I did go back and add some hairspray just to give it a little bit of hold. So that's basically it, you guys, but you know I had to come for you guys with this slow-mo action and show you how my hair is moving, how it's looking, how it's feeling. It was really the movement for me. Like, my hair just felt super silky and soft and flowy, and I was just loving it. Okay guys, so this is how my hair turned out. I really am feeling myself now that my hair is done for the most part, and my makeup is done. Also, I'm really I need you guys to take in this soft glam moment. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a video on this look. But anywho, we're getting off track. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. And comment down below if you guys are feeling my hair straight or if you're missing the curls. They will be back very soon, you guys. But for now, I'm gonna be enjoying flipping my hair and just loving myself. If you haven't already, definitely hit the red subscribe button down below. But for now, I'm going to say toodles. Bye, guys.